Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, I will put number 0 gone here, from the bound in here and here. And we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so I will put b over 2 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. So number 0 we change by number 1. b over 2 we change by number 0. This one we change by u, and we have u square. Sine x dx we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative arctan of u, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. Arctan of number 0, we have 0. Arctan of number 1, we have b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.